Uh, Even I am there. Introduce me, pa. It's B. If you- Oh, you're sharing that face. Pin me, ma, first. Wait, wait. It is he's talking about himself. 100% sure. Just like always. You have only CPU, don't have GPU. Unfortunately. You're streaming, no? In YouTube Studio, nothing will come. You're doing privately, yeah. Who will see that? Put no problem. Community sense. Come, no problem. Put Farhan will come first. I can do, no, I cannot do. No, I cannot make it like where it's not showing in my YouTube. Contents. Rodrigo makes me feel I'm a part. Please, I'm not getting. You have what? My SQL connection with Eclipse is private. Because that belongs to. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, what is that? Hey, wait. It's last anyway, I will not see the starting part. It's not still coming in my live shorts videos. Live, no problem. Dashboard. Means in YouTube Studio. Ah, game. Ah, now it's showing. So, yeah, there is gap. Oh, internet problem. Not enough bitrate. Too much it is for our use. it is enough. We are not going to do this one. There's no going to be so much motion. How much ever it can support. I don't know. I have seen some of this one. OBS. We can do that. How much ever you can. No, how much ever your team supports. Hey, come in studio, OBS studio. 4000, 4000. This is optimal for full HD. That it increase a bit. Audio bit. This 33. Yeah, actually, it's enough. Mm-hmm. We haven't seen this one. MXNXV. Yeah. Uh, you are a standard moderator. Delete inappropriate messages. Manage your different feed. Oh, you, I have a little bit irritation. You close your screen is still visible. You close it. It's fine. It takes so long to show. Hmm. It's overkill. Video is fast because hey, my video is not coming out. The stream, why? I it's a network. It's good. Fine, come. We will start. Which game? Send it to someone. No means no. Yeah. Your voice is not coming in the stream. Right? Put your voice also in OBS.
Audio channel I had stopped. That's right.
Uh,
Oh, then that time I was shouting, nobody heard. Voice. Yaba, yaba. After shifting to 4000 bits, it's clear, I think. Quite clear.
Hmm.
Can I change the resolution during the this thing? Audio bitrate
Okay.
video. No, you can't.
What is okay, come, come,
Okay, so let
come,
us
come,
start the revision of the unit one of the
come.
information security subject. Now,
Too much scene you don't put it, nobody is there.
exactly, that's exactly why I'm doing this. I would have done something better if already. It's taking overload.
Play by Cypher is this one.
Uh, what is play for cipher?
That's all no enough.
You will usually take a 5x5
Play
matrix.
by Cypher key will be given. You have to put it into first whatever word which. Hmm. Take a 5 cross 5 matrix. Keyword you will put off. Then you will write all the letters, and
Hmm.
if it's I and J, you will merge.
Hmm.
I you first close your YouTube channel. You don't see your YouTube live first. I can hear myself. Then
I
three
stopped.
conditions. Same column means you move it down.
Uh,
What streaming? Why
no, streaming is going on.
means okay that is up. Okay. Then same column means you should replace the below one. Same row means you replace the next letter. That's right
Uh,
side one.
uh,
And it is circular. So if it's last one means it will go to the first one.
uh,
Then rectangle means you just swap to the corner bits.
hmm.
Then
Then
some repeating letter, we have to use filler to group them. We have to group of two.
next.
Like this cringe you should not do. Then what is next step? Ill fare safer. Ill fare means you have to multiply. See,
Uh,
play fair means you have to play with this one, so you make it a matrix. Ill
uh,
fair means hill is very difficult to climb, so it's very complicated. So matrix multiplication is there.
uh. Matrix multiplication is difficult from matrix manipulation.
Uh, uh,
Next.
uh, okay. Here came my if they ask inverse means you don't take that question.
Uh,
Jayat
don't take that
Jatin
question.
Bhaiya Information Security padha rahe hain.
Then,
Um,
then.
then it's single character. So see, say again. See. Then polyalphabetic cipher.
Uh,
Two this is not the beginner cipher. Oh wait, how is polyalphabetic cipher?
Polyalphabetic cipher means it will be like key two, it will be pairs, combinations, and there'll be a substitution rule. Say, for example, I have
You
given
broke.
one small matrix now over there.
You cannot. Okay.
So if it was like B comma A means it will come B.
Hmm.
B comma B means it will come C. B comma C means it will come D. Something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Combination. You will see the plain
Hmm.
text you will see and the key
Here
you
only
will see.
the keys.
Key will be random. Okay. Key will be
Hmm.
random, but out of the 26 characters, and the plain text will be there. You will see the plain text character and the key character. Based on that, you will find out the final value.
Okay. Hmm.
This is one of the
Basically, you are
example, one of the
mapping each letter to
examples.
something else.
Correct. This is one of the example of
Okay.
polyalphabetic cipher, which is vignere, whatever that is, vinegar. What do you call it?
Mhm. Vignere. No, look, it is not so important.
Then,
Then comes Varnam cycle. Varnam cycle is XOR.
hmm,
If you just XOR, it will bitwise also. The
hmm.
same thing if you do it with padding, one time padding. It's called one time keys
One
as
time,
long as
one time
the
padding.
plain text, random, randoms, hmm, random output each time.
Uh,
That is because the number of paddings will be different
no, it
each
will be
time.
it's it's generated using random pseudo random number, some pseudo random generator, random number generator, pseudo random number generator.
Okay.
But it
Hmm.
still has
Okay, fine.
limitations.
No, making large keys and random, that is the problem. Computational and then it should decrypt also properly.
Correct.
Problem of key distri- distribution and protection is the same thing. Now,
Next
what
you
I've done we saw, this is for transposition, substitution.
substitution
Substitution is first is Caesar, monolithic, Mayfair, polyalphabet, then
Hiller
Hitler.
and
Do one
one time padding.
mnemonics for this.
CMP. Wait, you should first build CMP H CMPH P V and then O. So PHP is there in between. Okay. C
CHPF,
C PHP worm. C
CM,
PHP.
PHP, whoa,
Whoa.
yeah,
Worm VOM. M also is there. Mono alphabetic.
whoa,
Worm. Or
whoa,
move PHPC.
yes.
MOV PHPC. Move PHPC.
Mm, mm,
Hmm.
nice.
Next.
Okay.
Next you have transposition cipher where you do rearrangement.
Caesar saver is always three times. Three plus.
When you say
Mm.
Caesar cipher, it is
Oh,
always three. But there are different kinds of Caesar. By default, it's three. Okay. But you can even use other
okay.
numbers also.
Default. Okay. Transpositional ciphers. There are
Hmm.
three.
Hmm.
Male fencer,
Hmm.
single transposition, double transposition. Male
Ah.
fences writing in column wise, then substituting it row wise.
Hmm.
That's all. Then single transposition is they'll give this one. Again, writing it. This is writing it row wise, then telling it column wise.
Hmm.
You will get given key. Then if you do twice, it will become double transposition. That's all. Then we come to simple. Then for this, it is RST.
Correct.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now we come to simplified circuit. Simplified DS.
Hmm.
This is prototype for DS. Simpler version of DS. There'll
Ah,
be 8-bit key, no 8-bit plain text,
you have joined
and
the wrong stream,
10-bit
Ramaran.
key. Yeah.
Waiting for you guys to call. Crying now.
Why?
You see
Water,
on
bro.
YouTube. Go, go, go. See on YouTube.
And you.
Mhm. 15 minutes over.
Hmm. Next,
Huh?
come. Ah,
Came over
simplified
you
DS.
stream.
Simplified DS,
I'm
where,
the
where we
YouTuber. Hi,
consider.
YouTube folks. Whoever is watching. This is me, Mohammed Farhan.
Shut up.
Continue.
Okay, so we have something called a simplified DS, where we consider two rounds over
What?
here, just two rounds, because it's
Farhan
simplified.
is talking.
Hey, I'm mute. What's that up to me?
Oi, D&D, do
Hmm.
not disturb. Okay, simplified DS. You have two times you're
Who are
calling
you
the
talking
function
to?
f, two times you're generating the key. Okay, between is the one used for key generation, and
Initial.
side right left side is encryption, right side is decryption. Here you consider 10-bit key and 8-bit plain text. So first you have initial permutation, then it goes through the function, then switch two halves, then again go through the
Okay.
function and then inverse permutation. Once all this is done, you'll get the cipher text. This is the overall system of simplified DS. Next.
Ah,
Next.
this one. You tell key generation.
You have not changed on the screen now.
There no here only. Okay. You want this one?
Scam. So key generation, first what you do, first you'll take up 10-bit permutation. Okay, this permutation will be given in the question. Then you will divide the 10-bit binary into 5 bits, two smaller parts, and you will left shift them by one, circular left shift by one, and then you will pass it to the 8 permuter P8, where again this pattern will be given in the question only. You have to just pick those digits and give it in the order. That's it. Now the
Right.
one digits already left shifted by one, those you should shift them again 5 bits twice instead of one. Already the output of the LS1 should shift it
Right.
twice instead of once. And
Hmm.
then whatever output you get, again combine and again use the same P8 and give the output. You get two keys. First key is used for first iteration, second key for second iteration. Because this is simplified DS, we are considering only two rounds. Next,
Same thing again for
this
this
is
one. Please.
encryption, which is trash.
Encryption.
You don't have to do it, so skip. Swaha.
Encryption should even call class it. It doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
that's why attend classes.
Won't do notary and this.
You should shut and attend classes. You should not go for placements.
Like me.
There is so much depth in these words. So much irony. Okay, ciphers are up to the block ciphers and stream ciphers. So what we do block ciphers for?
Hmm. So first
Motivation
we'll
for frisking
fizzle,
ciphers. So
fizzle,
motivation
fizzle,
for fristal ciphers.
P
uh,
still cipher.
fizzle,
What's T cells replica? Okay, T
fizzle,
cells cipher.
fizzle,
Fizzle, sorry.
P still.
Fizzle.
feast. It seems.
P still.
Okay, fine.
Oh, well, two possibility. Here, what is the main thing in fiscal is each plain text can be mapped to two or more ciphertext. So it's difficult to get the plain text. by ciphertext. That is cryptanalysis. Gender crystals characteristics are two types: diffusion and confusion.
Feistel.
Diffusion, I did not understand.
Feistel.
Confusion, confused me.
Feistel.
Okay. Means confusion is the thing should be complex, that I understood. Diffusion, um,
You will diffuse the statistical data of the plain text inside the ciphertext. That's it. It should not be concentrated at one place. Simple.
okay. It should be, variance should be more.
Yeah.
Not
Even if it
static.
is concentrated inside the plain text, it will be separated out. The other one. Next. Why?
Text.
Diffuse the word. Literal meaning you take. Diffuse. You didn't study diffuse at all. Fine.
Network.
Fistle. Fistle. I'm still not getting it. Leave.
Please take.
Please take what from
So this
someone
fistle,
else.
there is a standard network. You have to remember this network. That's all.
Only one person. Okay.
Then there are design features of fistle network.
What?
Remember the
This
diagram?
classic diagram we don't need to remember.
We have to remember.
Yeah. The first step.
Can you explain this diagram shortly? Small one.
Yeah.
This diagram, there is plain text coming inside, output
Which is
text,
of
ciphertext coming outside.
Yay, wait. 2W.
What is the plus?
2W. Listen. 2W is the total size of the plain text. You will divide it into two halves. One is W bits, another one also is W bits. Okay.
Okay.
So the right W bits, you will put it inside the fiscal function. Okay.
Oh.
And also the key. The function
Okay.
F. Also it's called the function F.
Oh.
And key is also
Okay.
another input to that function. Whatever output comes, that you are adding it to the left side W bits. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And then you are swapping it.
Okay.
Swapping the left half and right half.
Okay. Understood. The left part, you're XORing it and then putting in the right part, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. It comes to then it goes on again and again. How much time? 66. You go how much
16.
around 16 times, right? 16 times.
In YouTube it was given 16, so 16 I guess.
Yep.
I'll do 50.
To be honest, this is also on YouTube right now.
Okay. Design.
What's up, YouTube? Come.
What you're telling, what's up on YouTube? Controversy or creative.
Like, share, and subscribe. Comment also.
You do that. You're only not seeing. Only I am there.
Only
I am
one
also
live
there,
view-
no?
Only one viewer.
That is me. You open in your tab.
Oh, okay. I'll open my Mac. Oi. Okay, continue.
It's still one watching.
Only
I am
one
also
live
there.
viewer.
Wait.
Only one viewer.
I'm
That is
opening.
me. You
Closing.
open in your tab.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll open my Mac. To watching now.
Still one.
Why am I not in the meet? In the video?
No one is there in the video.
No, only Manav is seen.
Oh, you want your surface
If you
weight.
play the videos.
Total size of the plain text.
He's not earning also his face. So what is the use of putting? Next.
Face won't good look in that video. That's why. Other OGS
Farhan,
photo I would have put. What? See, it's not
reflect
coming.
chat.
Where is it coming? Where is it
It'll
coming
come,
now?
it'll come
People
now.
do that.
It'll come now. Wait, you
Huh?
see. I started now. It'll come, see. On 2 minutes you give. If it doesn't come,
Doesn't come?
Means you are
I won't
not.
come to college tomorrow.
it
You'll
came. It
feel
came.
going
Your
slow.
face came. Your
Where?
face came.
Where?
Click on
Refreshing it
live,
and
Ra.
seeing where.
Click on live. Click on live.
Oh, you.
So
My
as you
face
can
coming on
see,
YouTube for the first time.
Farhan is very excited about his face coming inside the YouTube. Inside the YouTube.
My mother is also video calling me right now. Okay, leave. Come.
Fine. Continue.
Design
Continue, continue.
feature. Design feature. We should have a block size. Then we need a
Key
key
size,
size.
number of rounds,
Hmm.
then sub-key generation algorithm, round function. The round function should have greater resistance to cryptanalysis, and it is faster with respect to software encryption and decryption. Ease of analysis unlike DES. Over.
What is the topic of this? Features of Feature Network. Huh?
Yup.
Design features.
Okay. What is that fast S/W?
Software. It is
Okay.
S.
Oh, okay.
You talk to your mom so soon now.
No, no, I didn't talk. I cut the call.
Hey, they'll cancel off our video. They'll call you auntie. Okay, you're not even.
What? No, no, I sent message to my mother in a call. Will call back. She told okay.
It should be like, hi, ma. I love you. Sorry, I cannot take this call right now, but I will take it afterwards. Pretty soon. Love you, loads. I miss you.
Okay, you.
Tata. There's no.
Actually, I haven't spoken to my mother since morning today. In call also. That.
So as you can see, this is a general discussion going on between two adults. Both.
Moving on.
So fast. You
I
broke
don't
up and
talk
all.
like that.
You broke
What?
Yes,
up.
I'll send the YouTube link to my mother also.
Sing.
Okay, okay.
Your Bejati, you are going to do for yourself.
You are sending it
Send to
too.
my sister, my mother, my father.
You are
Mom,
sending it too. Wait, I'll forward it
mommy,
to someone else. Wait for this.
mommy.
Wait.
Okay, who is that? Someone else you tell.
I don't want to create
Please.
controversies because this is live.
No problem. I will share it to NSS squad.
Ah,
Not
okay.
squad. That is scam. I will share it to few personal people.
Then
Those three guys,
because
biotech
this
will start. It's fine.
If my sister is seeing hi sister, what's up? My mother is seeing hi mother, what's up? Father
hello
also hi.
friends. Information science low.
Moving on. Next.
Yawa.
This is full DS, aka not simple DS.
AKA not simple D. This is DFS, not DS.
Correct. It's TFS. Mitu,
P site.
okay. This is things are as same as simple DS. Just that it has 16 rows. You plain text is 64-bit, 48.
What? So there are like two DS, one more diagram we saw, no? On top.
That is called simple DS.
This
This
is
is
tough
full.
DS.
No, this is just DS. But
Oh,
for Manav, it's full DS.
oh.
For his friends' reference,
So in this, no switch and function. It's directly AC
there is
from the
always
side.
a switch. There's always a switch.
Where's the switch in this?
This is just the block diagram. In block diagram, it is not there.
Okay,
If you go to
and the
this
PC is
key,
coming from the side, huh? Oh,
uh,
oh my God.
see in this, it is coming.
Uh,
Left is there is split. See, you can see 32-bit, 64-bit is the input key, plain
okay.
input block. It's
Uh,
divided into 34, 34.
uh,
Means 32, 32.
okay.
In the right one, this goes to an expansion permutation, which
Uh,
is expanded to 48,
okay.
and that is XORed with
Okay.
the what do you say key.
Permutation.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
then again substitution happened,
Okay.
which makes
Then
it
again
32.
permutation.
Then D again one permutation.
And then XOR and then out. Oh.
Then this is R. Then this is here only it becomes left. Then it's
Okay,
XOR with
so
L.
expansion, XOR, substitution, permutation. Sorry, permutation, XOR, substitution, permutation. SES. Okay.
Okay, why is this then?
Where is
Zero.
water?
Who are you? What are you?
What am I doing?
Nothing. What are you?
जतिन भैया इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी पढ़ा रहा है.
Hey, for me, it not change only. I mean,
What am I doing?
okay, come on, continue.
Hmm.
Then there is differential key analysis, cryptography analysis. There are two types of cryptography analysis.
Huh.
One is differential, and another one is linear.
Correct.
In differential, you will find a difference and find out. Linear, you will find a linear. Moving on. Okay, in
Very,
differential,
very informative.
uh, that's all. That's what you told. That's what I remember. That's all I need to know. In each round, RLNS swap means in the Pascal and
Eastern.
PS.
Right and left are
Fiscal.
swapped.
Uh, so what we can do is we can find the difference every round, and we can map it and find out the function. Correct? No,
Hmm.
I'm not going to write this formulas. You remember this formulas.
Who told I am going to write? I know only concept.
Concept. Okay, concept.
So
Okay.
linear, it will XOR with the previous thing, no? The function and the previous what is M key
Message.
message? Yeah, is that no? That's linear. Hello?
No,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Tell.
Yes,
Okay.
So
yeah.
so if in one word, if they ask what is linear, like what will we write?
Linear means
One
you'll find
sentence.
a linear relationship between the plain text, ciphertext, and the key.
Okay, okay, please.
In word you do. Okay. Then block cipher design.
Design of S box, design of P box, F box, X box.
Which YouTube channel you saw?
In this thing only, this notes only, and that bad handwriting notes is there. No, that one also.
Mine only no bad handwriting.
No, no, this is beautiful handwriting. The other bad handwriting, white page one without lines.
There is black page also.
No,
There is a page also.
Okay, let's continue. There is first one is uh, S block design criteria. DES for DES design criteria. Oops. There is S block.
Hmm.
Then in that you only explain how in brief.
What?
You remember all the 7 points for S block. This one.
Individually, points are not required. See overall.
Ah.
Okay. The block cipher design principles are divided into five parts. One is the S
Correct.
box, one is the P box, third one is the number of rounds, fourth one is design of the function f, and fifth one is the key scheduling algorithm. Okay, so S box has some specific this thing rules
Hmm.
to make it protective against few kinds of attacks.
Hmm.
Those things are mentioned over there. Just give it a
Like
reading.
going in deep.
Please pause the video and read through
Take
the
screenshot.
points.
And
Take
like, share, and subscribe
like, share, and subscribe. Take a pass, read through the points, and get out.
and comment.
Comment, it seems. What they'll comment on this.
Then there is
Yeah,
gap. That's not cock.
the
Something else.
the two important criterias above you go, scroll little above. The two important criteria which has to be remembered over here is one is strict avalanche criteria, where
Fuck.
output bit of j of s box should change with probability of half when single input bit is inverted for all ij. Okay, strict avalanche means at least one bit should change.
With the
Okay,
probability of half.
right.
Okay.
And the second one is bit independence criteria, where the output bit should change independently when any single input bit is inverted.
Okay.
That's all. These two rules are important. You should just remember.
Sack
And
back.
you want
Hmm.
GAC, guaranteed avalanche criteria of order gamma of one bit input change, so that at least gamma output bits will change. If one bit changes, so minimum gamma bit should change, guaranteed. And this gamma usually lies between 2 to 5. Okay.
Hmm.
And S box design, in short, if you want to tell, it uses this four principle or approaches. One is random with testing, human made, used in DS. This one is used in DS, and the last one is mathematics made.
Hmm. Okay.
Random with testing, human meat, math mate. Okay.
Right,
This is the last.
depends. Can't tell. Then
If
we
he asks,
have
I won't come to college tomorrow. Can you?
so as you can see, this is going live, and Farhan has made a statement. So let's put a poll inside the chat box. What do you feel, guys? Should Farhan come tomorrow or no?
Another is convented. Scam it seems.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Huh.
See, if this channel gets golden play button, no, I'm getting placed in Apple. Okay, continue.
Means you have so much confidence that you will not get placed at
Hey, you, I will.
Indeed. Okay, fine. We will finish off fast. At least the unit one, then we'll go.
Okay. Unit 2 tomorrow morning. Come.
Yeah, unit two tomorrow. Come to the college and do.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do the five block modes. Then we'll complete off. Okay. So block cipher modes. There are five block cipher modes.
Okay.
Okay.
It's the last.
So the first one is electronic code book, where it's very simple. It's ideal for small data. 64 bits are taken at a time, and same key is used. And the message is always padded, even if the message size is proper. Like if it's multiple of 64 also, doesn't matter. Padding is always added. And
Same
it's
key
very,
also.
yeah, it's very insecure for lengthy messages, and easy cryptanalysis when regularities are there inside the message. Okay, no. And then we have something called as cipher blockchaining, where input to the encryption algorithm is XOR of plain text and preceding cipher text. So in this, what will happen means, whenever the encryption algorithm is fed with the plain text, the previous input, because it's a stream, the previous input also is put to the encryption algorithm. So many intelligent people will be like, for the first round, what will happen? So for the first round, we have something called as initialization vector, which is a pseudo random number generated, which you'll get and you'll use. That's it. The diagrams are very, very important. Then you have something called as cyber feedback mode. Okay, cyber feedback mode is like it tends to convert blocks into streams. Okay, so the previous one we saw, it was converted to small blocks of 64 bits, but here it become like a stream, because what is happening, the cipher text is becoming a part of the plain text from the shift registers. Okay, it's not completely made into that, but if you see the diagram, that the last one is counter mode. That's all.
Same one, yeah.
Which one?
Same here. Hmm. Cyber block. Same as cipher block text, no? Okay, plain text is fed here. Correct.
Yeah, instead of the top, it's fed near the this thing. Only after all the encryption is done using the initial vector and keys.
Correct. Here also same.
Yeah, so it doesn't have, what I told was it becomes a part of the plain text. But yeah, somewhat like that. It's added, the plain text is added with the shift, whatever is coming out, the S bits.
Hmm.
Bro, Jatin, after this, no, just send me this version of the notes also, okay? One where you did modifications.
See, here's the catch. You should pay me 5 rupees to send
I'll
this.
pay you 5
My
rupees. You send.
UPI ID. My UPI ID
YouTube
is.
live is going on. You can ask,
I'll
you
pay
can
you
Not,
5
beg,
rupees. I'll
you
pay you
can beg
10 rupees.
openly. Okay, you can beg openly.
So,
why for you? See, for that and all, I'm not giving. Okay, come on. Output feedbox cipher. Before
Output
XR
feedback
only, it will
mode.
go off. That's all.
Ah,
okay, correct.
With error in translation is not propagated.
hmm.
Vulnerability to message stream modification attack means message can be modified afterwards. I don't know what it means, but it's vulnerable. Then counter mode is instead of just ciphertext or
There'll be a
electric
counter for each
counter.
plain text.
Uh,
And for each incrementation, it will keep on, iteration, it will increment.
Oh yeah, it's all there. And then
Uh,
we return.
and then the advantages: hardware, software, pre-processing, simple to access, random access and security simplicity.
Hardware efficiency is there, software efficiency is there. High pre-processing, easy, random access, independent.
Security and simplicity.
Mm. Then we'll do this afterwards tomorrow in
Uh,
class.
yes. What time you guys coming?
I will come at 9:30.
Okay.
I'll try. I'll leave my home at 9. I'll try to come there by 9:30.
I'll also leave by home by 9:15.
You'll reach in 15 minutes, ah.
No, no, I'll reach by 9:40. I don't know, 9:50.
You're coming so late, ah.
Okay, I'll leave by my home by 9. Fine.
No, I'm kidding. Come at 9:15. When we tell we'll come at 9:30 means we become late 15 minutes.
That's why I told like this.
When should I come, you tell?